most gorgeous eyeshadow palette from Cara Beauty Bridgerton inspired collection. Hello, these are stunning. Shade Gray, Serene. Putting this on the outer edge. Shade Enchant and Chunk. Blend this up and out. Very small amount on the brush. I'm gonna kind of use that in between shades. Shade Marie. Tip of my brush. The outer edge. I'm gonna kind of make it a little silver shade. Very delicately bring them in. Shade Royalty Lips. On the very edge of my brush. Blend it out. Just like that. Pretty purple because I want this pop of purple right along that blue. Pop this purple over here because I just can't get over how gorgeous it is. Right above the blue and the gray. Looking that up and out into that lighter gray. I need shimmer. Beautiful purple shimmer right next to that purple matte. This gorgeous silver. Close in the corner. Bring it out to that purple. Add some eyeliner. Shade Lime Talk. Let's look it out. Elevate the look, smoke it out a little bit. I added some fun eyeliner. Now we're gonna do the under eye. This purple. Of course, we need an inner corner highlight. This gorgeous shimmer shade. Apply this right to the inner corner. The eyebrow.